for the first time in my entire life. And this is not my typical type of travel. Not budget friendly and not luxurious at all. But let me tell you, for the price, this is pretty decent. Let me show you. Here's the bathroom. So clean. Dove products, shower. You come in here, Keurig, microwave, fridge with this little shelf right here. And don't mind all our stuff here, but look. I mean, very decent, very clean. Can't go wrong. Closet right here. I mean, for the price that I'm paying for this is amazing. I think the room is like $100. That's it. And guess what? Dog friendly. Say hi, Luz. Hi. Hi to all the friends. The fee to bring your pet, $25. And guess what? She thought she was so cute, the front desk lady, that she didn't charge us. So, don't knock it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Steph, and I'm coming to you from Atlantic City, New Jersey. We're only here for one night. We're here for a friend's birthday, but I figured I'd show you guys what the room looks like and some mini tour of where we're at. So we're at the Borgata Hotel and Casino. It's one of my favorite places to stay in AC. I kind of like grew up in my teenage years coming here, even when I wasn't supposed to, but haven't been here in so long, so it's gonna be really, really fun to connect with friends and be back here. So let's do a little room tour. All right, so here is the front door, and as soon as you come in, we have the bathroom. Everything's a mess because we came here and then just like literally went crazy getting ready because we have really early dinner reservations, but here's the bathroom. I'm all dressed up. And if we come over here, we have a mirror, lots of mirrors here, closet, another mirror, and here's the room. We have a pretty decent view. We can actually use the fridge in this, which I'm super happy about. It's pretty decently sized. The room's a little old, but it's decent, it's clean, and the Borgata is pretty nice, so I'll show you guys the casino and everything. We're gonna go meet up with friends. Hello everyone, I am in yet another New Jersey hotel, no longer in Atlantic City, so my camera ended up dying, so I wasn't able to get as much footage as I wanted. This one's about to die too, but I am going to another dance competition. I look terrible. I have to wake up super early tomorrow, but I want to show you guys the room. I'm actually staying at the Sheraton. It literally looks like a castle, and it's in Parisppanny, New Jersey, so let's see what the room looks like. Yeah, camera just died, so I had found a backup battery, so now let's go see what the room looks like. So here's the front door. You come in, we have what looks like a closet. The rooms are very spacious. We have a bathroom. Very decent. Cute photo, shower. And you guessed it, we brought our little pup. Hello, Luz. Say hello to the friends. Come here, we have a beautiful mirror. Yes, I'm wearing the same sweatsuit because this is the sweatsuit that I wear every time I want to be super cozy. Here's the actual room. It's a little humming noise from this, but I don't mind it because I like noise when I sleep. But the room's pretty big. We're on the top floor, which is the 6th floor. All of our stuff is literally everywhere. We've got a coffee machine here. Ice bucket with some water. The fridge is out here, which I've never really seen before, but I'm down with it. And yeah, we are here with Lucy. Just here for the night. But apparently this place has like a jacuzzi. It has indoor-outdoor pools. It's huge, like a whole restaurant and bar downstairs. It's like a vibe. So, yep. And I'll let you know how it all was. Again, don't mind my face, but see you soon.